Hello everyone, I am Sudipta Saha from Tufanganj Mahavidyalaya, 4th semester BSc Botany Honours. Today I am going to discuss about flower. Flower is an important organ which drew our attention mainly for the attractive color of petals. Sometimes other part of a flower become modified and may help in beautification. Later on, seeds are developed after fertilization and help the plant to continue the life process. Definition: a flower is a reproductive structure which bear either stamen or carpel or both, along with or without calyx and corolla. Based on the morphological point of view, flower is a highly congested and modified shoot. It can also be defined as a specialized shoot in which the leaves are modified into floral structure. Part of a flower. Flower has four different parts. They are calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. Calyx. It is the lowermost, that is the first accessory hole from outside. The unit member of calyx is called sepal. The sepal of a calyx may remain free, that is polysepalous, or united in a group, that is chemosepalous. Sepal are commonly sessile and green, but at times they may be different color. The number of sepal in a calyx is variable, but is commonly 3 to 5. Function of calyx. It protects the other whole when young. When green, it performs photosynthesis. When colored, it helps in beautification and to attract insects for pollination. Corolla. It is the second floral hole from outside. The unit member of corolla is called petal. Petals are generally colored, sometimes white and rarely greenish in color. The number of petals is variable, that is from 1 to many. Function of corolla. It attracts insects for pollination and helps in beautification. It protects the essential hole, that is the androecium and gynoecium. At times, the base of petal has a gland which secretes nectar. Androecium. It is the third floral hole and the first essential hole from outside. The unit member of androecium is called stamen. A stamen consists of a long cylinder stalk. The filament bears at its tip the sac-like structure, the anther. The anther may be one or two celled and contain many microspores or pollen grain. The number of stamens in an androecium is variable. The stamen may remain free or united or remain attached with its inner or outer floral hole. Function of androecium. Production of pollen grain inside the anther lobes. Gynoecium. It is the fourth floral hole and the second essential hole from outside, situated at the top. Gynoecium consists of three parts: the basal solen structure, that is ovary, the middle elongated structure, that is style, the uppermost snow-like structure, that is stigma. The unit member of gynoecium is called carpel. The number of carpel in a gynoecium is variable. Function of gynoecium. Production of megaspore and ultimately the fruits and seeds. Next, different parts of flower. Complete flower. When all the four floral hole, that is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium are present in a flower, it is called complete flower. China rose, Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Incomplete flower. Out of four floral hole of a complete flower, when any one or more hole become absent, it is called incomplete flower. In Cucurbita maxima of Cucurbitaceae, flower is incomplete due to absence of either androecium or gynoecium. Bisexual flower. When both the essential hole, that is androecium and gynoecium, are present in a flower, it is called bisexual flower. All complete flowers are bisexual flowers, but all bisexual flowers are not complete flowers. This China rose. Unisexual flower. When out of two essential whole, that is androecium and gynoecium, any one become absent, it is called unisexual flower. In Cucurbita maxima of Cucurbitaceae, flower is incompleted due to absence of either androecium or gynoecium. Neuter or sterile flower. When both the essential whole, that is androecium and gynoecium, become absent or sterile, it is called neuter flower. Example, some raised florist of capitular inflorescence of Asteraceae, that is composite. Nude or naked flower. When either androecium or gynoecium or both are present, but calyx and corolla are absent, it is called nude flower. In beta sp of Chenopodiaceae, the flower is nude, as corolla whole is absent. Actinomorphic or regular flower. When flower can be divided into two equal and symmetrical halves after cutting it through any vertical planes passing through the axis, it is called actinomorphic flower. Example, China rose, Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Zygomorphic or irregular flower. When flower can be divided into two equal and symmetrical halves after cutting it through only one vertical plane passing through the axis, it is called zygomorphic flower. Example, Canna indica of Canaceae. Cyclic flower. When the member of the floral leaves, that is sepal, petals, stamen and carpels, are arranged on the thalamus in separate whole, they are called cyclic flower. Example, Brassica nigra of Brassicaceae. Acyclic flower. When all the floral leaves are arranged spirally on the thalamus, they are called acyclic flower. Example, lotus, Nilimbo nucifera. Spirocyclic or hemicyclic flower. When out of four sets of floral leaves, some sets are arranged in whole while others are in spirally. They are called spirocyclic flower. Example, water lily. Thanks for watching.